Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan waffles at home. First, let's gather our essential dry ingredients for the perfect batch. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also, make sure to include 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This simple combination forms our foundational dry mix. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients to complement our dry blend. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or soy, with 2 tablespoons of melted vegan butter or vegetable oil. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for a warm, inviting flavor. Gently pour this wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined, leaving a few lumps. Before cooking, properly prepare your waffle iron for optimal results. First, preheat your waffle iron to its medium-high setting, allowing it to reach the correct temperature. Once heated, lightly brush or spray the plates with a bit of vegetable oil or vegan butter to prevent any sticking. Then, pour about 1/2 cup of your batter directly into the center, spreading it gently to fill the grids. Achieving that perfect golden crispness is key to delicious waffles. Cook each one for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until it is deeply golden brown and the steam production significantly lessens. Resist the urge to open the iron early, as this can interrupt the cooking process. Carefully lift your beautifully cooked waffle from the iron using a fork or tongs, and then transfer it to a plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.